Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I wanted to show you how to add something you've created in Piktochart to your teacher webpage. So I have created just a quick little about me. You can just see, just very quickly, I used one of the templates they had and kind of changed the colors and stuff, but I have already saved it. From here, I need to go to share. Okay, so after I go to share, it's going to ask me, is this named correctly? Do you like this? Yes, that's fine. I'm going to hit OK. Now, I need to first change who can see this. So right now it says only I can view the shared link. So I need to change that to anyone can view the shared link. Okay, now that it's made public, I can get the embed code. The embed code is what we're going to eventually put into your web page. So you want to look for these two little arrows right here, and this is the embed code. I'm going to click on the embed code, and it asks me if I want to change the width. Right now I'm good with the width. I don't need to change that any. So I'm just going to copy this text. Now you don't need to understand HTML or how to create a web page to do this. All you have to do is be able to copy and paste. So I'm just going to copy this by going to Control-C. And now, once I've copied that code, I can go up into my teacher web page. Now, I've just created a little example page here, and I'm going to go into Home. Now, when I do this, mine's going to look a little different from yours just because I am using an updated version, and so it's going to look a little different, but it's still going to look the same when we get to here. So when you get to here, we want to look for the same little arrows, okay? It's source code. That's what we're going to look for here. I'm going to open up source code, and I'm going to paste the code that I copied from Piktochart into the web page. I'm going to hit OK, and once I do that, I should see this load, which it does, beautiful, and I'm going to hit Save. Now, if you want to add something to this, you can. It just registers as an image, and so if I wanted to go in and, go down some and I wanted to add something up here, you're more than welcome. And if you want to delete what you've put in there, you can go back into the source code, delete the code, and hit OK. That will get rid of what you have put in there. Okay, so all I did was copy the code from Piktochart. Just very quickly, we'll go again, copy this, go here, look for my source code, paste, hit OK, and save. And then you can go back to your page here. I'm going to go into your page, teachers. I just created one called example. And there it is. Okay, if you have any questions or have any problems, let me know. And good luck creating. This also works with anything that has embed code. So if you use Prezi or Canva or Vengage, they all work the same way. All right, y'all have a good one.